universe. Sigaw tayo ha, pag malapit na siya.
Emma and Papa Nawat.
1, 2, 3, go!
Emma Mary Tiglaw, Miss Grand International!
Emma, hello!
Emma Mary Tiglaw, Miss Grand International!
Hi Papa Nawat, congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you to you all. So sa mga today, thank you very much from bottom of my heart. Your support is Grand International. And I bring all your winners coming back now. Emma Tiglaw.
Yes!
Are you happy to see her?
Yes!
Thank you so much for all of you too.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo naman po, itong tagumpay na ito ay tagumpay po nating lahat. Maraming salamat po. The power of bayanihan. Yes! We got the back-to-back victory.
Thank you Emma, congrats!
I hope to see you all tomorrow. It's gonna be a grand homecoming parade, and CJ Piazza and a lot more queens will be coming there. Also, my first runner-up, Gatchabel from Thailand. To see you all, kaya I hope to see you all tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Wait namin si Ben. Oo nga eh, mamaya pa ata siyang 4. Wait namin siya. Taray.
Papa Nawat, thank you for the back-to-back. Next year again.
Next year again! Papa Nawat!
Papa Nawat!
Emma Mary Tiglaw, Miss Grand International!
Si Emma naman yung magsasabi. Emma, is your term is Grand International. You're the
Ako
one.
naman?
Yes.
Oo, na-miss si Bonnie.
Yes.
Kasi may nanood
No, nanood ka.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations, Emma.
This is Emma Mary Tiglaw, Miss Grand International!
Yes!
Wow, hindi nagpapakabog ang Pinoy.
Yes!
Emma, anong na-miss mong food na kainin ngayon, gusto kainin ngayon?
Ang dami kong na-miss. Sinigang, my favorite.
Yes.
Kare, adobo. Ano pa ba ang dami? Kaya ako parang mamimiss ko rin talaga sila. But I think in a few more days, if I'm not mistaken, I will be coming back ulit. And I will be a guest, a special guest sa kanilang Miss Grand Provincial pageant. So, hindi naman masyadong mamimiss ang mga Thai fans. I'm not sure of my schedule yet, but I think I will be coming back on the 29th, and I think overnight lang yun for the pageant. And on December 7, I will be also coming sa Miss Grand Phuket where Gatchabel competed. Ayun, pabalik-balik lang. Pero we have homecoming parade tomorrow, and on the 25th, we also have another homecoming parade sa aking hometown, Mabalacat City. Kaya higit-higit tamo po ngayong 25th of November.
Question.
Ang dami, kotang no eh. You know what? I'm so thankful and grateful to the Thai fans, my BF family. Every time na nakikita bisita every time na may event ako. They're there, they're waiting outside and giving gifts. Very generous, and I really love them, genuinely, and grabe sila mag-alaga. Sobra. Especially mga Pinoy, hindi magbago ako.
Kamusta naman ang iPhone 17?
Ay, oo nga, wala na.
Dalawa na.
Thank you everyone, thank you for being here.
Picture na. Emma, dito sa ano? Okay, picture.
Guys, magdalalo lang po tayo. Ako lang.
Miss Bet, try. Ay, sabat picture.
Pinapicture lang kami kasi
Kasi yung flag niya.
Ay, saan ba? Doon tayo? Sige, tayo ka na lang.
pwede sa may harapan natin.
Dito po sa kabila.
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila, dito yung mid. Doon kayo. Mate.
Ikot, ikot,
Harap kayo
ikot.
dito.
Face here.
Face here.
This side. My goodness. Excited.
Ay, sorry.
Example, marriage now! Miss Grand International! Salamat po.
Ah, dito daw. Picture dito. Yes.
Mas malino pag video kasi sa kulang. Kesa sa picture.
Emma, picture.
Yung one performance ng
Apa na?
Atras may atras.
May dahan-dahan na. Dahan-dahan na.
Break lang ako.
Ay, may camera kasi. Ay, Diyos ko po. Emma Bell! Hira ka na. Emma Bell ka na. Yung media naman. Say hi to all fans in Accenture Philippines. Best production ever.
Yes.
I'm one of the production managers before in ABS-CBN, but your production is very nice. It's always very